This video will introduce how to configure components required for using the RL78 ELCL function in the ESquare Studio. At the end, we also introduce how to import the sample project for chattering prevention. When using the sample project, the components are already configured, so you can generate code immediately. Please watch until the end. Now, following part 1, we will explain the configuration of the Smart Configurator. First, open the Clocks tab and set the F clock, CPU peripheral hardware clock to 32 MHz. Next, open the System tab and set the on-chip debug operation setting to COM port. Next, click the Add Component button on the Components tab and add the 3 required modules from here. First, select Voltage Detector and click the Next to proceed. Check the configuration name and resource name and click the Finish. The Config LDV0 setting screen will open. Set the voltage detection level for reset generation to 1.86 volt. Next, add delay counter. Please change the setting items on the Config TAU00 setting screen as follows. Finally, click here to add the ELCL module. Check RL78G23 Common ELCL module and Chatter Prevention function, and click the Download. Agree to the contract terms, select ELCL Chattering Prevention, and click the Finish. The graphic setting screen will be displayed, so change the input signal port to P137, and the output signal port to P50. Using the Smart Configurator, you can easily make detailed settings of peripherals with GUI operation. After completing the settings, generate the code. Add a process related to chatter prevention to the main file under the folder, Source. Comport setting and coding are finished. Finally, we will also introduce how to import the sample project. Select File, Import. Search for the sample project from here, select RL78G23 ELCL, Chattering Prevention Function Application Note, and click the Finish. Importing is finished. In the next video, we will introduce how to build and configure debug settings for the project. Please continue watching.